happy with where the product was. Fair enough, right? And so they only wanted to show something that was spectacular because this is one of their AAA titles. So instead, they decided, you know what? Let's just go with this trailer, and we'll just use it as a teaser. We're not gonna get the game in a spot where the game is playable and there's wow factor. So let's just go with the trailer. So that's what they ended up doing, and so. But it wasn't because the sounds were the sounds were bad, so we couldn't show the game. That's ridiculous. Only a half-wit would think something like that. That's ridiculous. Only a half-wit would think something like that.